to bring something really cool and exciting to your attention. So many people don't know this yet, but they probably will now after this video. So long story short, just remember that you get all this great information from Bullion Shark first. Now, we actually have these coins available for sale. If you do want one, we'll put a link in the video so you guys can look at it, grab one if you want. So basically, what we're talking about today is the 2024 $5, so the 1/10 ounce gold eagle. Now, you would think, of course, there's nothing really special about this coin. The Mint has made these every year, the 1/10 ounce piece from 1986, the first year of issue to present date. However, this year is a really, really strange and incredible year at the same time. So I was doing some homework the other day, went on the US Mint's website, right? And if I go to production figures and sales figures, and then I go to the bullion sales, I select the American Eagle program, and then I say sales total by month and select the year 2024. And now I search. Tell me if you guys see anything strange. So now if I look at the 1/10 ounce gold eagle here, right? The numbers, you see 11,000, 4,000, 3,500. How many coins were sold per month? Only 63,000 of these have been sold to date. Now, to my understanding, the Mint is now stopping production of these, switching over to the 2025s, and this is it. Whatever was minted was minted. Only 63,000 coins. Now, to put that in context and perspective for you, look at the mintages here from 1986 to present day of the 1/10 ounce gold eagles. 912,000, 580,000. Right, now let's keep scrolling down here. 1996, 401,000. Look at these. 1998, 1.34 million. 1999, the highest mintage ever, 2.75 million. But look at these trends here. I don't see a coin that's less than 195,000 really coins. I mean, except for the 1988, 159,000, but that looks like that's the lowest mintage of all time. Now, look at last year, 670,000 coins made. In comparison with 63,000 this year from the US Mint. So this looks like it is the lowest mintage $5 gold eagle, the mint state coin, not the proof, the mint state coin, the bullion version ever made. I mean, I'm talking 63,000 coins in comparison with last year that was 670,000. About 10 times more rare than last year's version. And you're talking it's about 3 times as rare as the lowest mintage prior to 1988. That's pretty incredible, and I think this is going to be an absolute sleeper piece. So I've been buying these myself. I think this is going to be a real amazing coin. I mean, I don't think that the mintage of 63,000 is going to be beat very easily ever again, especially for a bullion mint state coin. But something happened here this year that this is only 63,000. I mean, that is 10 times lower of a mintage than just last year in 2023. So with that being said, guys, I think this is a really incredible piece. We have these available, very limited quantity, on bullionsharks.com. And like I said, these are all perfect 70s. Can't beat that. Signed by the co-founder of CAC Grading, Paul Nugget. Only $429. Very limited supply. If you want to grab one of these, grab one. But this is some, information that, once people, I think, find out, this is going to be a very popular piece, and I highly doubt will be this cheap for this long. But only 63,000 made. Now, just to give you guys some perspective, and if you want to get future information, if you go to the usmint.gov and you click on these production and sales figures, you can look at the mintages of their numismatic products as well as their bullion sales right here. So you can find these, and they update them basically every month. So every month you can find out what the mintages are. Are they trending lower, trending higher for all the coins the US Mint makes? So this is very useful information. Like I said, once again, I mean, as you can see, these mintages, I mean, some of them, over a million coins. The 1999, 2.75 million. This is anemically low at 63,000 coins. So, like I said, if you guys want to grab them, here they are on our website. We'll include the link in the video.